Today, I'm going to show you how to whip up a quick and delicious cheese chili at home. Start with 200 grams of paneer, cut into cubes. For the batter, mix 2 tablespoons each of cornflour and all-purpose flour with salt and pepper, adding just enough water to make it thick. Coat the paneer cubes and deep fry them until they're golden and crispy. In a pan, heat some oil and sauté a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, along with a diced onion and 2 to 3 slit green chilies. Toss in a diced bell pepper and stir-fry for a minute. Now, add 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, a teaspoon of chili sauce, and a splash of vinegar. Stir everything together, then toss in your fried paneer, coating it well with that flavorful sauce. Finish with a sprinkle of spring onions for that fresh crunch. Serve it up with noodles or fried rice, and enjoy this delightful Indo-Chinese treat.